every reaction that we have in our lives to every situation comes from our subconscious. Suddenly, some situation comes up, the way we react or respond is basis how we've programmed our subconscious, and thought, feeling it very deeply, creates that impression on the subconscious. So if we want to change anything, any response or reaction in any situation, any reaction that you may want to change in your life, the way to do it is not controlling it. Controlling, you may resist for a while, but it may just get built up. So the way to again program our mind is by creating the right thought, right feeling, deeper the experience, powerful the impression on the subconscious. Some of us have very strong impression of fear, maybe fear of losing our loved ones, maybe we've had some experience in the past, this lifetime, other lifetime, we don't know. Some of us are not able to trust our loved ones. Maybe we've experienced some form of betrayal at some point in time. Yeah, so all of us on our journeys have had very different experiences. And today, instead of working on controlling that behavior, can we create wonderful memories now through our thoughts, feelings, and experiences? Like I said, deeper the experience, powerful the programming of the subconscious mind for that value. Yeah? So, conscious living, aware living is nothing but living with these values of the soul, the being, which is peace, love, happiness, powers, all that we are seeking today may be in our lives. When we seek only when there is lack. If we're full of these values, you never seek. Today we say, thoda to shanti de do. है ना? We say, we expect them to respect or talk to us lovingly. But just imagine, how do we talk to ourselves every day? Yeah, which is in our control. Talking to ourselves meaning the thoughts that we create for ourselves. Can I accept myself? Can I just be loving to myself? It's okay. कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो गया, it's okay, no worries, it's okay, I'll do it better next time. And same with people around. Imagine how empowering environment can we have if we operate out of that. And that just requires little practice every day of what we are doing right now. See, we're not doing something very big. Okay, we're not sitting and meditating for like 15-20 minutes. No, not thinking. No, we are thinking. Because the work of the mind is to think. We will think. Mind will think something. Even if it's with a gap, even if it's a slow kind of thought process, mind will think. And it's okay. We don't want to stop thinking. We just want to create right thinking pattern and right thoughts.